2 दिन पुराना स्टार्टअप है मेरा। ऑफिस बड़ा नहीं है लेकिन सपने बहुत बड़े हैं। साथ दोगे?
भाई सैलरी।
सैलरी नहीं दे पाऊंगा लेकिन हिस्सेदारी जरूर मिलेगी। बिजनेस अच्छा हुआ तो साथ में आसमान छुएंगे, नहीं तो साथ में डूबेंगे। पर एक बात जरूर कहूंगा, उड़ने में मजा बहुत आएगा यार। ऑलराइट।
This is my third interaction with the Korean business leaders in the span of just 12 months. This intensity is international. I wish to see more and more Korean business turning their attention to India. Even when I was the Chief Minister of the state of Gujarat, I traveled to Korea. Korea was and still remains a role model of economic growth for me. Friends, India today, a country of 1.25 billion people, is going through a great transition. It is changing from an agriculture-dominated economy to an economy led by industry and services. An economy that is close to one that is globally interlinked. An economy that is known for its red tape to one known for a red carpet. India has emerged as a land of opportunities. While we work for realizing the Indian dream, we seek like-minded partners. And among them, we see South Korea is truly natural partner. India-Korea business relations have come a long way in past decade, and especially closer in the last few years. India is among top 10 trade partners of Korea, and India is the 6th largest export destination for Korean goods. Our trade volume has reached $21.5 billion for the calendar year 2018. The negotiations to upgrade comprehensive economic partnership agreement have been fast-tracked to achieve the bilateral trade target of $50 billion by 2030. Not just trade. In investment terms also, we are seeing a positive turn. And Korean investments into India have reached a cumulative figure of almost $6 billion. Friends, after my visit to Korea in 2015, we have launched a Korea-specific facilitation cell called Korea Plus to guide, assist, and handhold investors during the entire life cycle of the business. Hyundai, Samsung, LG Electronics have become trustworthy brands in India. And KIA is soon to join this club. Over 6